you how to go from an F to an A in 1 week with on the multiplication time test. And it's important that you improve your performance quickly with multiplication, because if you think about like a spelling, if you get an F on one spelling test, the next week you get a whole new list of words. But when you take the multiplication time test and you don't know it, you get an F every week until you learn it. So poor grades in math is like digging a hole. The deeper you dig, the harder it is to climb out. Ninja MATHster is intuitive. I'm going to jump into a live demo in a second and show you how to use it. But the idea is you can just hand it to a student and they'll know what to do next. To go from an F to an A in 1 week, you need to complete one assignment every day for 7 days in a row. The first one should take between 30 minutes and an hour if you're in the 4th grade and you're failing math. After that, when you get to where you can complete it in less than 10 minutes, then take a Saturday and do it once an hour until you can do it in less than 5 minutes. And then you'll be good to go. So let's jump into a demo. Okay, once you start the app, and the iOS app looks the same as the macOS app, you just tap the plus sign and multiplication, and it creates an assignment. You tap start, and you type the answer. And I know you may be thinking that I can do this fast because I'm a programmer, but I really couldn't do it quickly until I started assigning belts, and I wanted to be sure all the belts work. Now, I think that if you just complete the assignment, you should get a white belt. And if you do it in less than 10 minutes, you should get an A on the multiplication time test. So that should get you a black belt. Okay, there's a typo. So I don't see any questions popping in. I'm just going to hammer them out. And you should be able to do the same thing in a week. A little bit nervous. Sorry about that. But pretty much you see the answer, you know the answer, and you just type it. There's no thinking. Except when you try to go too fast and you just make a silly mistake. Now, one thing that you might think when you do this is it seems like you're getting the same question more than once, but really you're not. If you do all 144 problems, you're going to type the number 20 4 times. 2 times 10 and 10 times 2 and 4 times 5 and 5 times 4. Oh, I know better than that. Actually, that's okay that I messed one up, because when I'm done, you'll see the report's better. Okay, almost there. And in the comments, please be nice. This is my first live stream. I'm a noob. Ah, there we go. And there at the end, I got a black belt. Once you're done, if you tap or click anywhere on the screen, you'll see that I completed 144 problems from 1 times 1 to 12 times 12. I actually answered 145. It took 3 minutes and 48 seconds. Now, think about this. Most multiplication time tests at a school are going to be 100 problems in 5 minutes. I just answered 144 problems in 3 minutes and 48 seconds. So if you can do this, you should easily get an A, because it'll be like you're taking your time. You're not even going fast. Now, if you tap on the row or click on the row, you'll get a list of all the problems that you had to repeat. So if you take more than 8 seconds to repeat a problem, you have to repeat it. So there you see that one. I took a little over 8 seconds, and so I had to do it again. If you tap on the belt, then you get to see the great job page again. I talked a little bit earlier, and I wanted to talk about this more, but I was messing up the problems. But when I really got to do this in 2.5 minutes to 3.5 minutes, it was because I made white belts through black belts. And what I did is I would answer 140 problems and then set my alarm on my Apple Watch for an hour and then answer the next problem, and I should get a white belt. Then I'd do 140 and wait 50 minutes and answer the last 4, and I should get a yellow, and it goes white, yellow, green, all the way up to blue, brown, and black. So when I did that, that's when I really learned it, and that's what I would recommend. Don't just go for passing the math test. I know that's the first hurdle that you're going to care about, but math is something that you're going to use all the way through school. So if you think ahead, just reach mastery, get to where you know the answer to every problem, like you know your first name. And if you have any questions, you can get a hold of me at bob@ninjamathster.com. Please visit ninjamathster.com and download the app, and good luck. And let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.